Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Garza coming to you again. This week in math, we've been talking about producers and consumers. So let's review what a producer is. A producer is a person who makes and sells a good or provides a service. A consumer is a person who buys a product or a service. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind for today's assignment. So we are going to do a quick activity together, and we're going to sort some sentences into producer or consumer. Okay, so here it says Thomas and his sister have a lemonade stand at the end of their driveway. So are Thomas and his sister a producer or a consumer? They are a producer, so they would go here, producer. Malia and her mom go to Walmart to get some flowers for her grandma. So Malia and her mom are purchasing flowers, so they are a consumer. So remember, a producer is someone who makes and sells a good or provides a service, and a consumer is a person who buys a product or a service. Ricky mows his neighbor's lawn, and his neighbor gives him $10. So Ricky is providing a service. Okay, so Ricky is a producer. Okay, next one. Kylie and her family have a yard sale. They sell all their old clothes that don't fit anymore. So Kylie and her family, they are selling, so they are producers. All right, let's see if you can do this one. Emma and her mom go get their nails done at the nail salon. Emma and her mom, are they a producer or a consumer? If you said consumer, you are correct. Emma and her mom are consumers. Next one. Taylor sells Girl Scout cookies to the teachers at school. So is Taylor a producer or a consumer? If you said producer, you are correct. Chance goes to McDonald's and gets Happy Meals. Okay, so Chance is purchasing something. So is Chance a producer or a consumer? If you said consumer, you're correct. Chance is a consumer. Cecilia and her mom go and get some ice cream at the ice cream shop. Cecilia and her mom are a producer or consumer? If you said consumer, you are correct because they are going to purchase ice cream. So for today's grade, I'm going to read you a story. This you're going to need to take a picture of and send it to your teacher via Remind Dojo or email, however y'all communicate. The story says, a restaurant makes 100 tacos each morning. There are dozens of customers who line up. Dozens means 12 are in a dozen. So if there's dozens, there's a lot of customers who line up. Is the restaurant a producer or a consumer? Remember, a producer is a person who makes and sells a good or service or provides a service. A consumer is a person who buys a product or a service. So in this case, is the restaurant a producer or a consumer? All right, so make sure you write down the answer. You can even illustrate it, draw a picture if you wanted to. Before you turn it in, make sure you write on there math, because this is for math. And you put your name when you turn it into your teacher. This is your grade for today. I hope y'all have a good week and a good weekend, and your teachers miss you very much. Bye.